Hi, kindergarten friends. I am here again with Echo the Owl, and we are going to be working on practicing some of the letters that we have done so far, and we get to try a new one today. I'm so excited. I'll give you a hint. It's another vowel. We got to do one vowel the other day, and now we are going to do another vowel. So cool. All right, let's get started. We're going to go through our cards first, and I want you to practice echoing them with me. Here we go. T, top, t. T, top, t. B, bat, b. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. F, fun, f. M, man, M, man, N, nut, N, nut, Okay, now we've practiced this vowel. Let's try it again together. I, itch, I. I, itch, I. Remember, with a vowel, we can stretch the sound out. Okay, you ready? Here is our new vowel today. It's the letter U. It goes like this. U, up, Okay, do it with me. U, up, Great job, friends. All right, I'm going to set Echo right over there. And I'm going to turn my laptop over here so that we can practice together writing the letter U. Okay, when we are writing the capital U, that's a really tall one. So we're going to start all the way up here at the skyline, or the very top line of your paper. We're going to go all the way down to the grass line or the bottom line. Sometimes it's red. And then we're going to curve back up until we get all the way back up here to the skyline. Looks a little bit like a horseshoe, doesn't it? A horseshoe, or maybe even an upside down rainbow. All right, when we are writing the lowercase u, we're going to start at the plain line or the dotted line. We're going to do almost the very same thing. We're going to go straight down to the grass line or the bottom line. We're going to curve back up to that plain line or dotted line, and then go ahead and go a straight line down to the grass, just like that. All right, let's go ahead and practice with some skywriting, shall we? So remember, our elbows are straight. We have our 2 fingers pointing out. I want you all to go ahead and point all the way up at the skyline for me. Pointing at the skyline for our capital U. We're going to go straight down to the grass line, curve, touch the grass line, and straight back up to the skyline. Nice job. All right, let's do a skywriting practice of the lowercase letter U. We're going to go ahead and start at the plain line or the dotted line. Go straight down to the grass, curve up to the plain line, and straight back down to the grass. See how there's a little line here? There is something that I want to point out to you. You know how we've been talking about how people can make mistakes? Well, I noticed a mistake, and I wanted to point it out to you. Now, in your letter practice, your letter writing practice packet, I noticed something a little bit silly. I think it's a mistake. Take a look up here. This is supposed to be a capital U, but look, there's also a straight line down. So it just looks kind of like a tall lowercase u. That's not what I want you to practice. I apologize for that mistake. I just noticed it. Okay, if you look down here at the bottom, this is what your capital U should look like. Okay, there's no straight line back down. That's a lowercase u thing, not an uppercase u thing. Okay, this one right here is correct. This is what a lowercase u should look like. Okay, so you curve down to the bottom line, back up, and then straight line down. That's right. So up here, when you are practicing, I want you to try to forget that there is that little line there, because that is not correct. That is not what a capital U looks like. So I apologize for that mistake. Sometimes there are mistakes and we need to learn from them. So I want you to learn from that is not how we write a capital U. Okay? Now, you're also going to be watching the Storybots Letter U song, which I hope you really like. I like it. Okay, so on the back of your letter U practice page is your Storybots picture. And there is unicorn and umbrella. So you can go ahead and color this picture as you like. Those are two of our letter U words. And then when you're done with that, you get to do the directed drawing for the letter U, which I will send to your parents in their messages. So you can go step by step and draw your beautiful picture for the letter U. Okay? All right, friends, thanks for working super hard. I say goodbye to you, and Echo says goodbye to you. Work really hard today. I can't wait to see all of your work posted in your portfolio, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye, friends.